Hello, in front of me I have Haylou RS4 watch and I'm gonna show you how to add additional watch faces on this device. Before we start, if you want to add additional watch faces on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Haylou Fun application. Once the devices are paired, we can open the Haylou Fun application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, tap on Me icon, then select your Haylou 4 or rather Haylou RS4 from the list of devices. And here you should see the face gallery. Now tap on this arrow right here to open the whole face gallery. And right here we can scroll through the list of watch faces. As you can see, we have different categories also. Find the watch face you like to use on your watch, for example this one, and tap on it. And here we have the Set as Current Watch Face. Also you have the size of the watch face and the description. Once you're done reading the stuff, you can tap on Set as Current Watch Face to add the watch face to your watch. And after it's done, the watch face will be applied, as you can see. And that's how you add additional watch faces on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.